In this video, we will understand human evolution. Human evolution is an ongoing process, but it occurs very slowly, over long periods of time. Humans continue to adapt to changing environments and conditions, both biologically and culturally. There is a great diversity among human beings in their form and features around the world. Human beings evolved in Africa. Some of them stayed there, and others migrated to different parts of the world. Then, due to genetic variations and the environmental changes in different geographical regions, they developed changes in their forms and features. Human evolution is the process by which humans evolved from earlier species of primates over millions of years. It involves changes in anatomy, behavior, and cultural development. Although there is great diversity of human forms all over the world, yet all humans are a single species. All humans come from Africa. The earliest members of the human species, Homo sapiens, can be traced there. Our genetic footprints can be traced back to our African roots. The residents spread across Africa, the migrants slowly spread across the planet from Africa to West Asia, then to Central Asia, Eurasia, South Asia, East Asia. They traveled down the islands of Indonesia and the Philippines to Australia, and they crossed the Bering Land bridge to the Americas. They did not go in a single line. Sometimes came back to mix with each other. The evolutionary relationship in humans has also been traced by the various methods of excavation, time dating, studying the fossils, and DNA sequences. A great diversity exists among the people of the world in their features, colors, etc. Many times, groups of humans were grouped based on their skin color. But there is no biological reason for that, as all the humans are part of a single same species. Everyone belongs to the species Homo sapiens. A large number of genes are present in this gene pool, which is the source of the vast variations found in humans. This is the reason that no two individuals are alike in looks, abilities, etc. That leads to the diversity in skin color, height, hair color, etc. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.